Welcome to Accelotrade Academy, your thrilling, fast-paced, chess-like trading resource for learning trading using Accelotrade app that lets you compress months and weeks into minutes and seconds so you can learn and hone your trading skill with a vast array of stocks in the trading universe without even burning cash from your pocket. This is Jerome Noel, your host and Accelobot. Have you ever wondered whether there is what we call a holy grail of trading? Well, this lesson is going to introduce to you what we call a holy grail of trading. When you have a combination of a new 78-day high and you have also price touching the 20 EMA while the ADX14 is greater than 30, followed with a channel breakout and a large volume breakout, well then, you have what we call a holy grail of trading. Alright, let's see what's this holy grail all about. Okay, you remember this? SPPI?
A long time ago, yes, we did.
Yeah. You, okay, I thought about channel, right? When creating a channel, and then most of the time when you create the channel would actually tell you also where are the bounces, right?
Hmm.
Like where is the ceiling and where's the floor. And then most of the time the price will basically oscillate between the ceiling and the floor.
Hmm.
Now, I'd like you to notice something very particular, that whenever you are going to construct a channel, especially the regression channel or parallel channel. So, for example, we have here an N78, an N78 that breaks out of the channel. And then from that breakout of the channel, look, it just continues to break out. So if you could find price oscillation in a stock of which the breakout goes beyond the upper channel, that is actually one of your strong signal. Okay. Now,
Okay.
if we look at also some other, um, for example, here, even just for this one, if we are going to create a channel here, and then let's say we will extend this channel, look at what happened. A breakout also in the downward side would continue just to go down too.
Hmm.
You notice it?
Yes.
So here, a breakout on the upward is a sign also of a continuation going up. So you can actually get your confirmation. You get N78, you get a high volume, and most of the time, if you are going to measure also the volume out of the ordinary volume, you will have at least around 100% increase of the volume. So here, the normal one is this side. So if we are going to do that, so this one is like 269, 270% increase of the normal volume.
Hmm.
Okay. And then there is a gap up and a breakout from that upper channel. A breakout also from the three tops here, triple top. So you have a triple top breakout, a breakout of the upper channel. That is a strong, how do you call this, identification or a strong signal for you that, yeah, it is really time to get in. Now, I'd like to tell you something also, which I'd like you to add on your trading view. If you could do that on your trading view, open your trading view.
Mm-hmm.
So I changed actually the EMA here. I just have the 50, I have the 50, but it's the cross. Remember we set up the cross, the EMA, right?
Mm-hmm.
The 50 to 100. Now I changed this one. Instead of 30, I have a 20 here, a 20 and a 200. And then I added this ADX.
Mm.
So if you type ADX,
So I should open SPPI first.
Yeah, open SPPI, but I'd like you to set up the way I set up mine here.
Okay.
Since free, how do you call this? Free account of the trading view allows you only three indicators. So we will try to utilize two above, EMA cross 50 and 200, then EMA cross 20 and 200, and then we will utilize the third one for ADX.
Okay, let me go there now. So I should change, let me see which one. Okay, you are
Yeah,
changing the two,
change the first one to 50 and 200.
50 and 200.
Okay, so you
Okay,
have blue for short and orange for long.
okay, sorry, let me say, I have 50, sorry, I have 30 and 50, 30 and 200 and 50 and 200.
Yeah, just remove the 30 and 50 and then just put 20 and 200.
Okay, 20, okay, remove that one. Okay, then,
We're trying to do like this because, you know, if we add more, it doesn't allow you. You have to pay for the trading view account.
yes,
So in order to, you know, to squeeze within the three indicators, we'll try to do 50, 20, 50 against 200, 20
then how
against
do I add
200.
again? How do I add a new one?
Oh, how do I add?
Mhm.
Here, very simple. You go to indicators
Yes,
and then just type EMA.
let me see my indicators.
EMA, sorry, moving cross, sorry.
EMA, okay, so,
EMA cross.
okay, let me see EMA cross there. EMA editor, EMA, what? I don't see EMA cross again.
Did you find it?
No, let
Oh,
me try again.
okay, go back again, click the
EMA,
indicators, and then in EMA, type EMA cross.
oh, I should type EMA cross. Okay, I was only typing EMA. Okay, EMA cross.
Yeah.
Yes, I see now. So choose which one?
Just choose the first one. The locked one, no, we can't use that one. So,
Okay, I'll put it there.
okay. So now if you have that,
Mm-hmm.
just change the input to 20 for short, 200 for long. So meaning 20 days against 200 days.
20 and 200. Okay.
And then on the style for the short, you set up the plot color to pink. And then for the long, set it to plot color orange.
I'm not sure I chose the right thing. It doesn't say, let me see, EMA short.
So here, this
Mine doesn't say that again. It's saying EMA 01, EMA 02.
Oh, okay. Hold on. Let me.
indicator
Like,
cross.
which one did you click?
I pick
The,
the one up, the one that say
not.
165,
Oh, the
the up one. Yes,
oh Mark 165.
yes.
Okay. Hold on. I'm going to remove mine so that way I could see EMA cross.
Yeah, see.
Ah. Oh, input. See
Yes.
EMA 20,
Mm-hmm. I did that.
200,
Mm-hmm.
and then go on the style.
Okay.
For the EMA 1,
Mm-hmm.
okay. I think let me use the one of Tanat EMA cross.
Okay, let me cancel that one out and use the one you are using. Okay. Indicators. EMA cross. And now use
But
Tanat.
this one is not the right one too. Oh, where was that one? Let's see again.
Is Tanat not the right one?
Yeah, Tarik 990. Yes,
Okay.
Tarik,
Okay.
the one of Tarik.
Okay, let me take it away.
So input is 20 for short,
EMA cross.
200 for long, and then on the tile.
Let me take it now. Tariq. Okay. Plus. Okay.
And then the EMA short is green, pink. The long is orange.
Short is okay. Let me select that pink. Then you choose this one. This one, okay. Then
And then
long,
you have
long is orange. Okay.
and then just choose purple for the cross.
Okay. And for the cross is
And then you hit OK.
purple. Oh, my cross just one yellow. It doesn't change.
The yellow doesn't change style.
Yeah, that's
Oh,
what
just just choose which color.
I click. When I click, it doesn't select. It doesn't do anything. Oh, now okay. So which color? Okay, purple. Okay, you want
Purple.
purple. Okay.
And then the next indicator is ADX.
Okay.
I use multi time frame.
ADX. Okay. Okay. I've selected that.
Okay, and then you'll be able to see this, right?
Oh, let me see that. No, mine doesn't change it. It is still the volume.
Still the volume.
Yeah.
Okay, let me close mine, and then I'll add new indicator.
Mm-hmm.
ADX multi time frame.
Mm-hmm.
So it should
Okay. I
it should
click on indicator.
so it should give you this one, right?
Yeah, I like that one. ADX
And then
multi-time frame. settings.
The length is 14, but the limit is 30. So you set the setting, go to the setting. The length, keep that one as 14, but the limit, set it to 30.
It doesn't still do the style for me. It
Just,
doesn't still.
oh, did you choose the ADX multi-time frame?
Yeah, let's do that again. ADX
Yeah,
and ADX multi-type frame. I click one time, right?
yeah.
Click it,
And then it should add this kind of like bar.
then close it. It
No,
doesn't.
just go to that setting.
Oh, okay. Maybe that's where I made mistake. Okay.
Go to the setting,
ADX
and then
multi-type frame and get it as fire. Say no. Then what is the settings?
oh, right. You know when you see this on the left-hand corner,
Mm-hmm.
upper corner of the ADX,
Mm-hmm.
there's a gear. So that's your setting. So if you hover your mouse right on that
Okay.
gear
Yes.
icon, that's
Yes.
the setting. You click that
Okay.
and you type, the default is 14 and 20. So what we're going to do, we'll set it to 30 for the limit. Then you click
ADX
OK.
length. I have mine say MA length. It doesn't say MDA length.
Oh, the ADX length is 14. The ADX limit, LMT, whatever, it should be 30.
I think I still have a problem with that thing. My ADX doesn't come up. Let me see. I still have only on volume. Okay, can I share my screen?
Sure, sure. Let me, I'll stop sharing first. Okay, go ahead.
Do you see?
Oh, you have to remove one of those because you have three. Remove. That's why we need only 50 and 200, 20 and 200. Remove the 30, 200 EMA cross.
This one?
Remove that. There you go. Now you can add because a free account of TradingView allows you only 3 indicators. Now you can add a new indicator. You type ADX, multi-time frame. There you go.
Oh,
And
okay.
then now
close this.
Close that one and then go to the setting of your ADX on the gear icon and then change the 20 to 30. Keep the 14 as is, the ADX length. The limit is set to 30. Click OK. Perfect. There you go. Okay. Wonderful.
Okay.
Okay. Unshare so I can continue sharing mine.
Okay. Done.
Okay, I'm back. Now I want you to go back in time on February 10 of 2017 on SPPI, kind of, or maybe November 14 of 2016. And then I want you to make a projection. So I will delete my channel. And then I'd like you to follow what I'm going to do. So I'll go on the trend line tools, click that one.
Okay, let's first of all go back to, you want me to go back to 2014, is that what you said?
Yeah, 2016, November 14.
Okay, I'll scroll that back.
Right here. Yeah, I'll put a big yellow circle. Okay,
Okay.
and this is November 14 of 2016.
Okay. Okay. Let me go at 2016. Now I'm in 2016. Good.
Okay,
That's
you should have something like what I have here. Okay,
when I see that, I'll let you know. Yeah, now I'm 2016 November. Yes, I
okay.
think
Create a vertical line.
November.
Put a vertical line right where November 14, 2016 is. So that way, it it gives you a highlight of that date, November 14 of 2016.
Please hold on. Let me see.
So go into the trend line and look for the vertical line,
Okay,
and then
trend line.
just put the vertical line right where the candle on November 14 of 2016.
Um, let me do one by one. So vertical line, trend line is this one. Okay, trend line. Look for vertical. Yes, I see vertical line. Okay.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
you can adjust the line such that you choose a red color, for example, and then just change the way the how do you call this, the thickness is. So I
Mm-hmm.
choose the light one, and then I choose also the dotted line. That way it doesn't hamper the way the candle looks. Uh, so at least I can still decipher what the candle look like. Okay, so you have
What,
it.
what is the vertical line you put?
Oh, the vertical line.
Yeah.
I'm just changing the vertical line into a thinner line. So instead of choosing so like this,
Mm-hmm.
I'm choosing the thin line. And
Oh, you
then,
want me to change the EMA 200 to a
no,
thick?
not EMA3, the vertical line. I'm placing a vertical line on the candle where November 14, 2016 lies.
Where's it? I don't see the line.
Oh,
Oh, okay.
you have to do that. You have to go to the trend line tools.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, choose vertical line.
Okay, let me do that with your trend
Okay,
line tools.
so go on the
Vertical.
trend line tools,
Mm-hmm.
look for the vertical line,
I see that. Click it.
then pick up your vertical line just right onto that candle where November 14, 2016 is, and click it.
Okay.
And it should leave a line right where that candle is. And it should highlight also your date, November 14 of 2016.
Which is this one?
Got it?
Yeah, but I click it. I click on that line.
And then if you if you choose, you just change the line, the thickness of the line into the thinnest one, and then choose dotted one, dotted line instead of dash or straight line.
Okay.
Okay, you got it?
Yes.
Perfect. Now, and the next thing we need to do is go again to your trend line tools
Mm-hmm.
and choose regression trend.
Let me see. Line to.
If you do not have the regression trend, use parallel channel.
Let me see. I see parallel channel. I see regression trend.
Okay, if you have regression trend, use regression trend.
Okay.
Okay. Now, once you click the regression trend, I want you to click that candle, the bottom of the candle on November 3 of 2016.
November 3. Yes.
Click that one.
Okay, the bottom.
Then click until May 31 of 2017 at the bottom of that candle.
May 31 of 2017.
Yeah. Click it.
Okay.
There you go. And it should create automatically a channel that would envelope the oscillation of the price in between those two dates. You'll be able to see something like what I have right on my screen.
Yes.
Okay?
2017.
May 31, 2017.
May
That is where your stop is. And then it should automatically create a channel that would basically bind the top and bottom oscillation of the price action.
Okay.
Okay? Now, double click the channel. Double click the channel, right? Let's say bottom or up portion of the channel, and it should pop up a window so that you can change the setting. I want you to put a check mark on extend line.
Okay. Extend line. Let's see.
Got it?
Yes.
Good. Now, I want you to click the red color on the base and then just bring the slider to the lighter portion of the color so that it kind of like, you know, remove the darkness and just lighten up the color a little bit. And then on the up color, blue, let's try to move the slider also, make that color lighter. There you go. And then you just click OK on that pop-up window.
Can I share my screen one more time?
Sure. Let me remove the share. There you go. Go ahead.
Okay.
Oh, can you minimize that start trading now? Just click that minimize icon there, right here. No, no, you have here paper trading. Just minimize the,
Good.
there, perfect.
Okay.
Now,
Then scroll down to where there was November 16.
so November
This is the
14,
line
2016.
which
Okay,
is here
right.
around this place.
Okay, delete. Let's try to delete your channel so that way we know exactly what's happening here. Just
Okay.
click on your channel and hit delete. Click the top portion of the channel.
Like here.
Yeah, the top line of the channel.
Okay, this place. Oh, where's the top line?
Yeah, the very top of the channel.
Uh,
Or maybe the bottom because you see the line at the bottom. So click that
okay.
and then hit delete.
Okay.
And there you go. All right. Now, well, let's try to see what's happening. How come it's PPI? Oh, all right. Maybe you're not November. Oh, you're in August 15. We need 2016. November 14 of 2016.
This is 2016. See, this is November.
Oh,
Is this earnings, the earning there? Yeah, it looks different from your own. Even when I look at the candle, it looks a little different.
Yeah, hold on. Oh, that's 2015. That's November 2015.
Is that 15?
Yeah, that's 15.
Okay.
Look, see, okay, read the label underneath. Okay, see, there's
Yeah.
a running label. The
Yes, I
one with the
see.
grayed out
Yes.
background.
Yes, I see. November 9, 2015.
Okay, I
Okay.
want you to go on November 14 of 2016.
Okay. We should bring it here. This is the place. November 4. November.
All right, you're pretty close. Perfect. Yep.
Yeah, that's that
There you
point.
go. Now I want you to create a line. Okay, go to your how do you call this, trend line tool and look for the vertical line. Yeah, go for vertical line and scribe it right where November 14 of 2017 is. November 14, 14, November 14, October, November. You should try to
Yes.
get the ruler so that way you can zoom in. You have to zoom in the chart so that way it's easier. Yeah, click there.
Okay.
There you go. Did you click it? Oh,
Yes.
oh, all right. There you go. Now you have a marker of November 14th. That's too light. Double click on that line. Oh, style. Go to style. Change the line color to red. Okay. Now, the thickness, change the thickness to, okay, that's perfect on thickness, but change instead of a straight line, go for a dotted one.
Here.
Right there. Oh, you just hovering it. Okay. Click. There you go. Click that dotted line. Click OK. Wonderful. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Good. Now put a marker on May 31 of 2017. Vertical line also. Put a vertical line.
Should I go here?
Yes, the same. But this time it should be on May 31 of 2017. You should zoom in. Do you know how to zoom in? You just have to roll the ruler of your mouse. Yeah, perfect. Because it's a lot easier. You can go to May 31 of 2017. Perfect.
There.
Put them. Oh, it should default now to red.
Should I click cancel?
Oh, that's EMA cross. Just click cancel. You. Oh, it didn't make the line.
Okay. I do again.
Okay.
Vertical
Click
line.
that vertical line.
Mm-hmm.
Go find May 31. Zoom in, so that way it's a lot easier for you to find the date. Oh, that's July. You have to move to, okay. So,
See here?
there you go. Click. You are clicking on the volume.
Oh,
So the line will be made on the volume, but we want that line to be made on the candles. So
so click on the candle.
no, click again the line, the vertical line, the
Mm-hmm.
tool. No,
Oh,
click the vertical line tool. And then click where the candle is on May 31 of 2017.
It's a candle.
Okay, drop the line there.
Yeah, I click it already.
Okay,
It's here.
how come they are not aligned? Okay, just right, delete the line that was created on the volume.
Okay. It's
Yeah,
already deleted.
now there's still line.
Oh, the line. Okay. Oh,
Yeah,
this one.
delete. Just hit delete on.
Yes.
Okay, right, perfect. Okay, now what you do, can you zoom in a little bit? Okay, right. Now I want you also to squeeze a little bit the ADX because your ADX is just occupying a lot of space. If you what you can do in between the volume, no, in between the volume and the ADX, there's a horizontal line. I want you
This
to
one.
place your, yeah, correct. Move down a little bit more. Yeah, perfect. Same also with the volume. Bring down also the volume a little bit because so that way we can have more chart for the candles. Perfect. Now I want you to connect using the regression channel. Okay, the November 14 to May 31 of 2017.
A regression channel. Let's see. Regression channel. This regression trend.
Regression trend.
Trend. Okay.
Regression trend. Sorry, it should be November 3 of 2016. Connect the candle, the bottom of the candle of November 3, November 2016 towards the low of the candle on May 31 of 2017.
That's a candle.
Yeah, click that.
I click it.
Yeah, and then click also the next one there, the low of May 31, 2017.
Which is here.
Yes. Click. Perfect. Very good. Now zoom in again.
This way or this way.
Zoom in and then move your chart so that it would show up only up to May of 2017. So you kind of like move. No, you're squeezing it. So you're zooming out. Zoom in, but move your chart such that the last portion of the candle that you're going to see would only be your May of 2017. So just drag the chart.
Drag the chart or the channel.
No, not the channel, the chart itself. So you hold on an empty portion of the, okay, and drag to the right.
Okay, grab to the right. Okay.
Correct. A little bit more. All right. Okay, you got it. Perfect. Wonderful. Now, double click on your channel, either the top line or the bottom line. The top line.
Here is fine.
Yeah. Just double click it.
Is that okay?
No, once you double click, what's happening is that you double click on the empty space of the chart. So what's happening, the volumes were hidden, only the candles were shown. Okay, so just, yeah, highlight on, yeah, that one. Okay, then double click, so that way we will try to change the property. Now click extend lines. Perfect. Wonderful. And click the base color of red. slide towards the lighter color. Oops, too light, too light. We want still to see it. Oh, not too much. Just make it a little bit lighter so that it doesn't hide also the rest of the other candle. A
Should
little
I
bit
move?
more.
Should I move forward?
Move to the right a little bit. Slide. Oh, perfect. That's it. That's it. That's it.
Okay.
Good. Now go and click on the blue on the up channel. No, no, no. You click first on the empty space of that window and then click the up color. Same thing. Move the slider so that it changes the color into a lighter blue color. A little more. Perfect. Good job. Wonderful. Click OK. Right. Now you know how to set up a channel. Okay. What do you see? I want you to drag slowly to hold to the empty space of the chart and drag it to the left. So that way you'll start looking for. All right. Oh, not too much, not too much. Just slightly where that first breakout is. Just slightly where the first breakout. More, 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 more. Good. Right there. Okay. What do you see?
I see that the chart is just bouncing up and down on the channel.
Exactly. And what do you notice after it broke out the upper channel?
It goes
Now
up.
move again to the left. Move the chart again to the left. What did you just notice?
When it break out the channel, it goes up.
That is what we call supernova. Once it starts breaking off from the channel, okay, with a huge volume, you will be able to see what we call supernova movement. In just few short days, you will have a high rise of price. Same thing also that would happen if you are going to release or if you are going to create a channel also when it was downward. So if it's going to go downward also, it's going to go downhill. So it's just the opposite. So the channel is very important for you to be able to take note of what would be the price action. And if you're able to catch that particular price action, you are going to make a lot of, how do you call this? Money or gain.
Okay.
All right. Release the share so I can share mine. Okay. So, all right. There is something very important that I'd like you to see. If you notice, you have a triple top breakout here. This breakout, okay, with a huge volume, that was actually a triple top breakout. First top, second, third. Now, there is what we call Holy Grail. The Holy Grail. If you notice, the price touched the 20 EMA, okay? It touched the 20 EMA with its body, but then the ADX is above 30.
How do you read the ADX as above 30?
All right. if you notice the ADX here, there is a line. Okay, let me change the color. Here, you see all this green color?
Mm-hmm.
The green color meaning it is on the spot, like meaning 30 and above, because we set up a how do you call this, a setting of 14 and 30. Our limit is 30 while the length is 14.
Mm-hmm.
So all this ADX line represents, this green color represents 30 and above.
Okay.
Okay, if you have a red, it means it's below 30.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so look at what's happening here. A reading of what? An ADX of, what's the ADX? 39. An ADX of 39, while the price touches the, how do you call this? The 20 EMA. And
Mm-hmm.
then you have a new 78-day high. So this one was your first signal, and now this one will actually give you a secondary signal. Now, wow, you have a new 78-day high and you already have a holy grail here. Usually, you may enter on this one right in the median, or maybe sometimes the top of the candle of this candle that touches the EMA. Okay, because usually I'll choose the median and the top, because sometimes if you choose also the bottom, sometimes the bottom doesn't get filled. So even here, if
Okay.
you choose also the top, it won't get filled. Well, it would get filled because you have a lower price here. So at least if, for example, you issue a buy of 788,
Mm-hmm.
automatically you should be able to buy at 750 because it's lower.
Okay.
Yeah, you got it. So
Yes.
if you issue a buy signal here of 788, you will get filled at around 745, 750. Okay, and you should be able to get and capture this breakout here. But you can also wait. This is already your proven signal, the Holy Grail, and it's now backed up with your new 78. And all you have to do is just find where the pullback is, and you can set up your buy also on that pullback. And just wait until it's going to continue to move higher. Boom. And then if it creates a new long breakout, see for example here, this one here, this is a volume breakout. See this guy here,
Mm-hmm.
this is a volume breakout. You wait for that volume breakout, get out, you make a lot of money. Although you can still wait another breakout, boom. Imagine if you're able to enter right at 750. How much did it go? 1450,
Mm-hmm.
1460. That's a big return, right?
Yes.
So the technique here is to be able to know. So this guy here made a new 20 days high, and then it dropped to the lower channel. Okay, but at least that one gives you, it gives you an idea. Okay, so this is now my, from this bottom here to this bottom, I can create a projection. Now, whatever projection you have, and now you have a breakout of the volume, breaking out also of the upper channel,
Mm-hmm.
boom, that is your entry point. And all you have to do is just wait for that one again to to have a new gap or a new breakout of volume.
Okay.
Okay. So you think you can do that? How do you call this, creation of channel by yourself now? The regression channel.
Yes.
Okay, I'll give you. I will give you. How do you call this? I'll give you some sort of a exercise.
Okay.
I want you to change the SPPI to APPS.
APPX.
APPS.
Yeah.
And then
So what we do here, we cannot save.
automatically, if you are logged on, you're logged on when you went to TradingView, right?
Mm-hmm.
So that one will always be there in your TradingView.
Okay.
But we're not using the Accelotrade yet. Okay, it's your TradingView. So you use your TradingView to be able to save all those lines, all those drawings.
Okay.
Okay. Now, do you have APPS?
Let me go that. Put that right
I
now.
have another stuff to teach you, so that way you'll be able to kind of like capture only a specific time frame.
Yep, I'm in APPX.
Okay. Now I want you to click replay.
Okay, let me see that. Okay, I click it.
Okay. Now, once you hit replay, hover the mouse to June 5 of 2019. There should be a vertical line. Okay. Hover the mouse to June 5 of 2019 and click. You got it?
I'm still working on it. Over the mouse to June 2014.
No. June 5, 2019
Oh,
and click.
June 5, 2019, June 5. June 5.
And basically it will remove the rest of the other time frame. And the last one would be June 4 of 2019. How is it?
Kind of June 6. Can I take June 6? Okay, take that one.
You didn't find the June 5?
No.
Okay, I'm going to stop my share. You share your screen so that way I can see your screen.
Okay.
Try to enlarge the chart, like zoom in the chart so that, because you're too much zoomed out. Okay, zoom in, roll out the barrel. uh, uh, zoom in, not zoom out. Okay, more. Okay, now, okay, perfect. Just drag the chart. All right, okay, enough. And then click replay. Oh, okay, click yes. Okay, drag again, a little more. Don't do that out on the empty, correct. Let's just use the empty space. Now, hit replay. Okay, now hover your mouse, bring the mouse, right, see that red line? Put that red line on June 5 of 2019. Go to June 5, on your left, June 5. There, yeah, perfect, click. There you go. Wonderful. Nice. Now, zoom out a little bit. Good. Oh, enough. Enough. Now, I want you to create a regression channel, a regression trend on this one. Show me how to do that.
From where to where?
Well, you can choose where the first low, okay, lower
Which is
low,
here.
okay,
Yeah.
yeah, and then try to connect to the lower high.
This one here.
Yeah, regression trend. Perfect. Good job. Now, how do you extend that?
I'll click on any of them. So I click on this one.
You're clicking on the EMA. You have to
Uh,
you have to make sure you really click the channel. Either the bottom line or the
mhm.
top line. Double
Okay.
click on. Okay, extend. Change change the shading because it's too dark. Very good. Click OK. All right. What do you see?
See that everything, the price is hovering over the channel, and this is a big volume, which
Mm-hmm.
might probably break out of the channel.
So if you want to scribe a line from the tip of that inverted hammer, okay, from the tip of that inverted hammer, you have one, two, three, four. That's four tops, right? And then there was a breakout. So create a horizontal line.
From where?
Uh, go get a horizontal line first and put it right on the very top of the, try to, you see that hammer, inverted hammer with shooting star?
Okay, this horizontal line.
Okay. Put it right on top where, okay, in March 19 of 2019, there is an inverted hammer.
March 19.
March
Yep.
19. March
March.
March 19.
Oh, I see the inverted hammer here,
Yeah. Put that vertical line, put that horizontal line on the very top.
which is here.
Yes. Click.
I click it.
Okay. Change the color into red.
What is
Double
settings?
click the line.
Yeah.
Or just right, see this one here, that there is a tool. Okay, now change that line color because your line color is just too light.
Mhm.
Change it to red. Change to red. Change that one into dash line.
Mhm.
Dash, not dotted. Well, we use dotted on, yeah, okay, on the vertical, but now dash line on the horizontal. Click OK. So what have you noticed? You have the first stop. Just try to zoom in, zoom in, zoom in, zoom in. More, 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 more. Make it bigger. Perfect. Okay, that's the first stop, right?
Mhm.
Then the second stop, where the green touches the how do you call this, the upper channel. I think that's April 8 of 2019. And then you have third
Okay,
stop.
here.
That's right about on May 3rd, 2019. The fourth stop is May 16 of 2019.
Mhm.
Okay, so what have you noticed? Is that not a multiple top breakout?
It is.
It's a multiple top breakout with a gap and a huge volume. Now, I want you to measure the volume coming from the lower volume. It should be around 136% increase.
Measure how?
There is a ruler. Click the ruler on the left hand side where the tools are. It's ruler,
This water here.
correct. If you hover your ruler right from May 1, right from the very top of that volume, May 1 of 2019,
May 1. Where's May
May
1?
1 of 2019, right there on top of that volume,
Mhm.
click that one, and then bring up your cursor right on the very top of that volume where the breakout candle is.
This one here.
Just right there. Perfect. Click it. That's 187. Have you noticed that one?
Mhm.
Uh-oh. How come? You click OK. Click OK. Oh, you lost it. Okay, just click again the ruler and then hover, okay, on from top to top of the volume. Click and click also the top. Okay, now just remain it there. Read the one that is there percentage 174.42%,
I see that.
right?
Yes.
So that's a huge increase of volume.
Mhm.
Okay.
Okay.
Now, but you have a holy grail though. Find the holy grail.
How do I find that?
The holy grail is when the price, okay, when the candle touches the 20 EMA. The 20 EMA is the red color line, right?
Mhm.
There is a huge red bar or red candle that touches the 20 EMA, but then the ADX is above 30.
This one.
Yes, that's your holy grail. The price touched to 20 EMA and the ADX is above 30. That was your first signal. So any, if you are going to issue actually how do you call this?
By order.
A buy order on that, like in the middle or top of that candle, it should be executed because all those lines there will be able to give you an execution. Okay, all this oscillation right there after that, or if you want to wait, this is a new 78-day high, right where this jump up and a huge volume. Okay, the breakout wasn't a breakout of the upper channel, but the breakout occurred in the median of the channel.
Yes.
Which is also a breakout of 4 tops. Okay?
Okay.
So if you are going to play on this one, at least now you have your first signal right here, your Holy Grail, and then your secondary signal is your new 78-day high. All you have to do is just find the pullback of that new 78-day high, and that is where you position. Or you could have already anticipated, you could issue already a buy order right in the median of that candle or top of that candle. Okay. Now, I want you to calculate what is your target on this one. So you have a breakout. You have also the previous high, and you have also your volatility low. What could be your volatility low?
Volatility low is kind of using the previous volume. So
correct.
That would be
and probably that big red candle right there, that is where your volatility low, right? Okay.
3.10.
Correct. So I want you to create a target on that one.
Okay.
Yeah. Remove your share. I will share mine.
Okay.
What's our previous high? Previous high is 420. No. $420. What is your breakout close? 428. 28. And then what is your volatility low?
310.
307. Oh,
Okay.
yeah. Low, yeah, 307. Right. Now we can calculate our target. What's your calculation?
It is
PS minus BL times 3 plus breakout close PS 420 minus 307 times 3
767.
plus BC. What's the BC? 428.
Mm-hmm.
How much?
767.
767. So our target price equals 767. Okay, let's see. Now, wanna play that one on Accelotrade?
Okay, we can play.
Now, okay, before that, where would you enter?
I would enter at let me see, the middle of the green candle, the breakout candle, or the bottom, like 429 or 418.
418. Okay,
Yeah.
so if your entry is 418, what is your times 5%, right?
Mm-hmm.
So 0.21. So 418 minus 21 cents, 397. So if in case it goes down, if it goes down to 397, you have to make sure you get out,
Okay.
right?
Okay.
Let's try to copy. What's the name of that one? ESPP, right?
Mm-hmm.
ESPP?
Eh,
EPPS. EPPS, sorry.
yeah, APPX.
EPPS. EPPS. Where's my share? Yeah. Okay. What's our breakup close? 428.
Mm-hmm.
What's the previous high?
420.
420. And the volatility low?
307.
307. Target is 767. We say our stop loss is 5%. Your entry is what?
419 or 418.
418. The 397 is your stop loss. Now, if you are going to risk, if you have 100,000, you're gonna use 50%. If you use 50% of that one, so 50,000, you're gonna buy at least 11,000 shares. The entry. Let's try to be very. Let's say if we have $10,000, okay,
Mm-hmm.
we use 50%. So let's say we will risk $5,000, right? So
Mm-hmm.
we're going to buy 1,000 shares. So if we enter our profit, if we enter at 418, we could profit around $4, $4,000, right?
Mm-hmm.
And if we get out, at least we will have a loss of around $260. So that's around 350 against 21 cents.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's a good return. All right. So let's go to Accelotrade. We know already what we need to do.
Mm-hmm.
Share. Okay. Log in.
Click on join.
No, we have to create. We'll make it N78.
Should I do the same you are doing?
No,
Because you are clicking.
I want you to look at what I am doing, so that way you can create also your game.
Okay.
Okay. So what I'm trying to do, okay, I am creating. I'm showing you how to create that game.
Mm-hmm.
N78. Um, say, or let's say CH Breakout, CHBO.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Channel. All right. Maybe make it clear. Channel BO Breakout, and also what else are we looking? Holy Grail. Okay. And on PPS. Let's set this one to 0.1 custom. What's the name of the stock? PPS, right?
Mm-hmm.
PPS. I changed this one to a faster speed, so that way you don't need to wait that much, right?
Okay.
Um, Set this one to 90 days. What date was that?
Was it June?
What was the June
Let
4?
me. Okay.
June 4, right?
Let me go back out to see. Uh,
June 4, 2019.
that's correct.
All
Yeah.
right. Players. Okay. Okay. Now
You should just click on join.
you you can join. You go click um
I
if
see.
you go to play.
Mm-hmm. It says waiting, or you don't start it yet.
No, not yet. So because I want you to do what I'm trying to do here. So first you have to understand that the default account that is being used, okay, when you create an order, automatically is investment, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we're gonna go to account. You can do transfer. If you want to transfer to margin, you can transfer to margin. or let's say 50,000, we will transfer 50,000 to margin account, and at least you have 50,000 also on your investment.
Okay.
Go. Then click transfer. It will happen. So that way you have two accounts have money. So in case there is a shorting opportunity, you can use your margin also for shorting. But in this case, if you see something like this, you have a very strong trend going upward, you can don't ever short. You're gonna get hammered. Okay. So what I'm going to do, go back to play, and now we'll start the game.
Okay.
Now understand that what we just did, we analyzed it already that we have this happening and our target is 767, correct?
Yes.
And we have a multiple breakout on this line, and it was also a channel breakout. Oh, I haven't made my channel regression. If I'm going to connect this, there you go. Extend the line. Click OK. Now let's see. Can you see my screen?
I see.
Good. Right. Let's do that. So I'll click start. It's active. What was our buy order?
419 or 418.
418.
Now it's 429.
429.
So we choose 418, right? Or
Yeah. 418. Oops. And how many shares are we buying?
to 5,000.
5,000 shares?
Yeah.
5,000 shares. Oh, you're gonna do 100% of your 10,000.
Oh, we were to buy. Okay, you want us to use 10,000? Okay, then let me buy 1,000 or 2,000. Let me take 2,000.
Let's try to be kind of like practical so that way, because we do not want to burn money, right? So say if we use the 10,000 cash, 100%, we need around 2,000 shares.
Okay.
Or let's say 2,400 or something like that. Submit.
My own doesn't want to change the quantity.
Oh, it doesn't change the quantity?
Yeah, when I put 2,000, it reverts to 100.
On the you have to retype it.
Okay. 200. Okay. It revert to 100. Investment 50.
If I go to chart, Middle red. Extend to the right. Oh, why? What? Where you get filled?
No, because I choose a 418.
Mm. It looks like you might not get filled with your 418.
Okay, let
Let's
me modify.
just see this one here. This one is like a pullback hammer. 443 is the low. Oops. 450. Oops. Go to broker. Oh, it's trying to. There's a big resistance on this one. Yeah. Kind of like creating a mini triangle. But .75. Look, it's it looks like it's creating that mini VCP formation there, and probably your your price limit would be within the boundary of that VCP
Yeah.
triangle. Oops. Yeah, looks nice. See, it's going back and forth on this triangle. Did you see that? One of the bot is saying, "Out, scoop free." Still
Mine is still not executed. So
not executed.
yeah, account. Oh, but it says again. Then why does it say not executed? Broken. Oh, now executed. Okay, it's now executed.
It got executed.
It is executed.
Okay. Oh, you changed it.
Yes,
Okay. What's your entry now?
450.
450. Good job.
Let me just grab some tea. Be right back.
It's going out of the upper channel.
Okay.
It's really going high now. Like 55.
Okay, maybe you also need to click advance.
Hmm.
Do you advance your time?
Um, why you're not saying 535 when you end?
No, mine says 59 days. Yours is 62 days.
Oh, 62 days left. Yours is how many days left?
59.
59.
Now it's 55 days.
Oh, okay. No, it's just my page. It's not refreshing.
Okay.
Okay. What date we have? June. See, with this kind of thing,
Mm-hmm.
your entry is actually, um,
Very important.
yeah, your entry is very important. But at the same time, the good thing also is that you know that it's not going to pull back in such a way that you are going to get hammered.
Okay.
So because the strength it was creating basically is breaking out of the volume, breaking out of the channel, breaking out of multiple tops. When you have a combination of those things, you will be able to take note that most of the action is going to continue upward.
Okay.
How much time we have? 52. There must be a lot of resistance on 580, 5, 550. 550 must be a strong resistance. Let me check. Maybe in the, oh, there you go. You see, if you look at the longer time frame,
Mm-hmm.
this is a heavy resistance here.
Okay.
And what's our target?
It was 720, 676, seven something.
767. 767. Oh, 550 is a big resistance.
1 second here.
August.
42 days left.
45, 40, what? How many days you have?
42 or 41.
So you notice it, Kupri,
Mm-hmm.
the median line becomes the support. It broke out from the median, and the median also becomes the support. See this one here, that red line?
Mm-hmm.
And look, it actually, there was a huge hammer, but basically it just went spiking up again. Oops, 550 is still a very strong resistance. That's because of this guy here. This is nice, like a cup and handle.
Do you do this live daily, or how do you do your trading?
You do for your practice, you mean?
No, like the one you execute the trade. Do you check in the morning and you say, oh, today, oh, it's still respecting the.
Yeah, you just check in a while, like in the morning, and then also in the afternoon. That's it. You don't need to sit down the entire day.
Yeah, I know that, but I'm saying, do you actually do this like on live, and you say, okay, it's still respecting the channel, okay, you go your
Yeah,
way.
as long as it is respecting the channel. For example, the audio code. This one here. I got in somewhere at around $8 on this one.
Mm-hmm.
And then when I saw this double top,
Mm-hmm.
that's where I got out.
Okay.
Because this one, the probability is, well, although here I might be wrong also on this one, but since I know most of the time there is what we call a hard time also for the price to go up if it's going to have a kind of like a double top, because right here they're almost like on the same level, right?
Mm-hmm.
So the tendency is that it might go back down here. So I'm waiting actually, but at least I made already a good run on this one from $8 to $21.
Wow, doubles it
Yeah,
or triple, almost triple.
correct. So that's how I then during the time when it was oscillating on this one, I said, okay, that's good. This one is good because it's supported by 200 EMA.
Mm-hmm.
The drop here, the drop here when I was looking also with the revenue and 9.8 increase, everything good, everything is good. And this one here, a double top, okay, maybe it's time to cash out, because if it's going to come down, I'll go and pick up this one once it's going to go down and
Mm-hmm.
then come back again. But because I had a good run already, at least I have to take that cash out.
Okay.
Oh, wow. That's so nice, Gopri. Now, what you do is create oh, there's a strong, but the volume is very low, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, it's kind of like a secondary volume. But again, it is being supported with the median here. The median becomes the support. You start cashing out soon.
You want to cash out?
550 is a very okay. It tried to get that $6. 6 times. I'm waiting for a secondary volume. Here you have the first large volume. Wow.
That's good.
Corporate. Perfect. That's more than 650. Holy cow.
I will sell part of it.
Huh?
I will sell part of it.
You cash out a little bit already?
Let me do that right now.
Okay. Yeah. Um, probably have to do the same. Investment. $57. 500. Okay. Whoa. That's really awesome. 689. All right, $7, Copri. Close this. It hits the $7. Oh no, 698. 698. Ooh.
There are some few places that Accelotrading need improvement.
Sorry?
Accelotrading need improvement in some small places. Like when you want to put in the order, if you click and say I want to buy 500,
Uh-huh.
and you click the limit, or you want to go back and change something, what you put before just cancels. Just put some the default. So I don't know what happened. I wanted to sell 1,000 out of my 2,000. Wanted to sell 1,000.
Uh-huh.
So I click 1,000. I click market. I click sell. And now, before I notice it, it sold the whole 2,000.
Oh, so it entered the numbers itself?
Yes, Like he used the default because I bought 2,000, so he chose the default and sold it. So even though I have already specified 1,000, so now I have nothing.
Oh, I see. So it's trying to get that $7. So you completed all your shares now.
Yeah, it sold all of it. Even though I've made money, that's okay. It's okay.
4,000 complete.
Yeah.
That's a huge amount already to complete.
Yes, you know, the only request I can make to you, I know that you want me to be independent. You want me to be an independent trader.
Yes.
But at the starting point, there is something that could make a huge difference in my life.
Which one?
And that is to be under, like, you know, you mentor me like on practice. How could it be like a situation you say, okay, Kufre, I have seen this trade. Or maybe I send you a trade and you say, okay, analyze the trade. And you say, okay, this way we will enter. And then on the following morning, at the time you look at your channel, you send me the channel and say, okay, it's still respecting the upper channel.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm following it, then because I will become emotional. Immediately I see small drop. When I see an email from you, yeah, it's still repeating the upper channel and the lower channel, I would keep quiet and follow you. And until you become one time successful in the live trade, till both of us sell it one time, then from there I can now start taking it by myself. Because right now I'm still like doing the simulations. If it is a live trade,
Because you're still how do you call this, affected with emotion.
yes.
So that's why what we have to do, we have to make sure that you follow the principle. So for example, the one that I just showed you, right?
Mm-hmm.
Here, let me get back to that one. See, when the first, okay, no, not that one, but this one. So this was your first signal.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. This is your secondary signal. And then you know exactly that that one is breaking out multiple tops. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
The median, and then this one is breaking out also 136% on top of the previous volumes, right?
Mm-hmm.
There was a previous volume here, which is also, this one is also a new 78-day high here. It's with 62% plus volume, but then it kind of like fail. But like I said, with that also, the ADX is above 30. That's your holy grail. That's your basically your signal. New 78 and a holy grail combination there. Okay? So you just have to wait for the big breakout volume.
Mm-hmm.
That is where you come in. And then just use the pullback. So like what happened here, you were not able to get inside the first the way that you planned. So
Mm-hmm.
you wait for another pullback, and that is where then you know what you have seen here. I created this VCP. So the movement of the price is oscillating on this triangle. So what you can do is try to put your order in between those inclination of the candle of the triangle.
Yeah, okay. So the point I'm making is this: at least for the first 2, 3, 4, 5 successful trades, I would have won, not like the one we are doing training right now.
Mm-hmm.
You see, like you wanted me to create the channel
Yeah,
and you were watching me created it. But
right.
sometimes I may not feel comfortable if that is the right place to even start the channel.
Oh, okay. Remember this. In an upward trend, use all lower highs. Just attach the line in between the lower highs, and it
Mm-hmm.
will automatically project the regression channel for you.
Okay.
Okay, and then extend the line. You'll be able to see the channel. Okay, Or what you can do is project all the tops, okay, all the tops here, and project also all the bottom. That's how you do it. So, for example, I do not have the how do you call this, the regression channel. I can also utilize this one here. The oh, it's not okay here. Parallel channel.
Okay.
So I will connect all the bottoms and then extend it upward to where there is the higher high. It's the same.
Okay.
Okay. Or if I do not have, if you really have to do it manually, you just use the ray. So this is one by one. Then I'll project again another one here. On the top. There you go. So it gives you the channel. And just that you have to create also manually, even the median. You'll try to kind of like decipher where is the median. But the good thing with the regression trend or the parallel channel is that automatically you can have your median, the bottom and the top.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, that works. So I will see requests like we have taken training for a few months now. Maybe anytime you want to do a live one that you want to try, I will just want to put it like you see something what you want to buy.
Okay. This is the homework that I'm going to give you.
Okay.
I would like you to start using your stock fetcher. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now, first, we're not going to, what you are going to do is you click on new 78-day high and then try to offset 90 days. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And then just go table, don't go charts. Okay. You can do performance, whatever, but what I would like you to do, for example, right now,
Mm-hmm.
OMN. So you go to what is the date? Oh,
Today's date.
July 30. So what you are going to do, we will try to hit the play. July 30, right?
Mm-hmm.
July 30, 2019. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
So automatically. And then what's the that OMN? Oh, this is not the one. Sorry. This is the one. July.
That's audio code.
Did we set this one July 30?
No, it is the audio code that will say July 30.
The audio
Yeah, this
code.
one.
July 30. Perfect. Okay, there you go. So OMN. So I type OMN,
Mm-hmm.
then just July 30. Okay. If you see something like this that is already high, don't use that. Most of the time, if you see something like this, a huge gap up, and then you have a small candle right there, it means this company is being bought.
Okay.
Okay. Most of the time, companies with a huge gap up and a small candle like this, it means that particular company had been bought. Now, say KPTI, KPTI, and then replay July. Okay, because I want you to start practicing how are you going to create your channel.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, see that one there? I just
Mm-hmm.
created. You can project it if you want to project. You can project it as far as like this, from here to there. So this one is a breakout, although it came back down, but it's actually a break. I'm going to double click on this one and then put the extend line, and then inputs out base. Where is the median? Down, up, the red. Oh, okay, the red. There you go. So the red here is your median. Okay, so it gives you this. Now, do a calculation right away. Well, you first you investigate why this one had created this volume. This is a surge of volume from 3 million to more than 10 million, to around 15 million. So that's what? How much increase is that?
5%. Oh, sorry, 500%.
500%. So what's causing that 500%? And remember what I told you, Kofri? I have given you already this one also before. This huge drop, a breakout of this huge drop, so right now it broke out right here, but it tried to break out also, but it seems it kind of failed. But what did I tell you also? Was the 20 EMA? 20 EMA is hitting, or this one is almost touching the 20 EMA, the price almost touching the 20 EMA. You might have to wait a little bit more if this one crosses the 200. That's your first signal. And then if this first, and then another signal comes out, like the candle here. So let's say, for example, let's do forward.
Mm-hmm.
This is expired.
It's
It
okay.
says best before November 3rd.
Okay.
First cross. All right. That's the first touch also. What does it tell you? The price touching the 20 EMA and the ADX is above 30. Is, isn't that a holy grail?
It is.
There you go. There you go. So if you had created a buy order for on that holy grail, it should have been filled. Boom, boom. Okay, that one. Okay, so the support again. Oh, it's oscillating. Okay, so it's using the median of the channel and the upper channel. It's breaking in and out of that. So this one here. This is your new 78-day high here. And then you have this one here. The 20 had just broken, okay, the 200 EMA. The 50 had just come out also of the 20 EMA. So this one, these are all your other signals also. 20 crossing above the 200, 50 crossing above the 200. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And because you have here your Holy Grail, if you had already, let's say, if you were able to get a buy order at this, maybe what price is that? 832 or 860, 830 to 860. Boom. You're all good.
Okay.
Give me a sec. Okay. All right. Okay, so this is what I would like you to do. Practice creating the channel and
Mm-hmm.
practice identifying that Holy Grail with the new 78-day high.
Okay.
Okay? I'd like you to I'd like you to master that one such that in one way or another you can easily decipher, this is actually this how do you call this combination.
Mm-hmm.
Now use this one as your pattern, the SPPI. Use this as your pattern. Okay, SPPI November 14 of 2016 to what's that, August 7, 2017.
Okay.
Try to decipher stocks that are moving similar like this with a triple top breakout or multiple breakout, then a breakout on the channel,
Mm-hmm.
because a breakout on the channel coming off also from a breakout of a triple top is always a continuation higher.
Okay.
Okay. But on the other hand, when you create a channel and the price goes down again below the channel, the same thing. It would always
Go
continue to
down.
go down.
Okay.
Okay. So that's why they say that the trend is your
It's
friend.
your friend till the end.
Exactly. once it starts breaking away from that one, so the breakout, okay, above the channel, that is your best friend because you can make more money if
Mhm.
you have a supernova. Well, the breakdown also of that one is also your friend if you know how to short.
Okay.
Okay, but this is what we need to do. Go, go and start checking out first, and then go one by one with all those that you see. 90 days offset on your
Mhm.
stock fetcher, and put create an exercise on your trading view on each of those, and try to create the channel.
Okay.
Once you start mastering creating the channel, it's so easy for you to decipher the movement of the price, the
Okay.
oscillation of the price.
Okay.
Okay, and then be able to decipher also the volume. At least the volume should be more than 100% breakout.
Mhm. Okay.
Right?
Sounds good.
Good. So next, maybe next week. Oh, next week, I am volunteering for my son's uh, fundraising.
Okay.
So what I'm going to do, I will send a game, and I'd like you to play and record it, and
Okay.
then you're going to let me know what's the result of that game, and then we'll try to analyze. I'll send you that game, and then you basically play that game, and then try to make money. But like I said, first try to establish your channel, and then establish your target, and then do your setup such that you know exactly where you are going to enter, and
Mhm.
establish also where is your stop loss if, in case it's going to reverse on you, and
Okay.
make money off of that. Now once you start being comfortable with that one, okay, we go live.
Okay. Sounds
Good.
good. I appreciate that. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good weekend, man, and happy Remembrance Day.
You too. Thank you.
Cheers.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Thank you very much. May this lesson give you more confidence in creating your plan in trading and executing or trading your plan without fear. Keep following the system. Practice it 10,000 times, and like Bruce Lee with his move, your trading would outperform all mediocrity. Keep shooting at it 9,000 times with Accelotrade, and like Michael Jordan in basketball, your trading would improve with great success. Keep experimenting it 1,000 times, and like Edison, your trading would lead to brighter future. This is Jerome Noel, your host and Accelobot. Visit accelotrade.com today. This is where you can peek, practice and play trading without burning any cash until you gain that confidence. Enjoy and have fun.